What's up, everybody? Rick Fan here. Welcome to the Fan of Life channel, Fan of Life show. In today's episode, if you will allow me to indulge, I want to share with you the whirlwind 48-hour trip to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania during 4th of July weekend. My wife and I visited 7 properties that are either recently acquired, in the middle of rehab, or being listed or being rented out. Our pipeline has grown quickly over the last year and a half that we have started this business. And if nothing else, the message that I want to send to you is this, is that regardless of what you've been trying to do or thinking of doing, you have to take action. You have to take a leap of faith and bet on yourself. Because where we are now with our business, if you were to told me or have told me a year and a half ago, we would have 7 deals in some sort of process in the pipeline, I would say no way that's going to happen. So again, my message to you is this: take the risk, take the chance, bet on yourself, and learn as you go, and strive and succeed as you go. So I want to share with you a quick trip. It was recorded on my phone. It's very amateurish, so I hope you guys excuse that, but I hope you guys get some value out of the content as well too. Don't forget to subscribe, pass it on to your friends and family, and let's get going. Pittsburgh, PA, here we come. $5:30 in the morning, actually almost 6 o'clock in the morning at the airport. 4th of July weekend, we're gonna make a quick trip to Pittsburgh to check on all of our properties. Right now we got 7 properties between being in escrow, mid-construction, new listings, and new rentals. Excited, guys. 4th of July is about freedom. This is our path to freedom. Let's go get it. So this is a property that we finished and just got into contract and escrow. Not gonna go inside, just wanted to drive by. It's on the way to our next house. So this property is going to close and resell end of July. So here's a brick house that we picked up. Projects just started, as you can tell by the trash bin. I'm debating if I want to keep it brick or make it more modern like this. I personally like the brick. If I keep it, I'll probably clean it, wash it, let it really pop out. What's interesting is the next door neighbor here has their house for sale. It went under contract and it fell out. In this neighborhood, which is an entry-level neighborhood, I'm assuming a lot of buyers are going to be FHA. And with FHA, there's a lot of stringent inspection and requirements that have to come up to code. So unless you're really putting in the money to fix up your home, a lot of times these FHA inspectors come in and they disqualified the house for the loan. So for us, when we fix something like this up, we want to make sure it's not just cosmetic, but all the codes and all the requirements are met. Gotta know your market. If this continues to fall through or sits for a while, we may pick this up as well too. All right, let's go inside. New acquisition, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Let's see what we can do inside. I'm gonna run the numbers because I'm debating on keeping this as a rental or flipping it. So we'll see. Brand new acquisition, just closed last week. right, this is a new acquisition we bought at a sheriff's sale. So basically a foreclosure. Let's check out the inside. So this house is on the market now. What's interesting is, I want to be transparent. It's a beautiful home, which you'll see, but this is the only house so far in 2.5 weeks that have gotten no showings. No one has gone here, which is so interesting because this is a desirable area. And granted, those stairs may be scary, but when you get to the inside, I assume a young couple can fall in love with it. But we will figure it out because I do believe right price, every home has a buyer. Let's check it out. Happy 4th, everybody. What a charming house. Looking to buy today. What do you think? Should we pick it up? Estate sale, potential flip and rehab. Last stop of the day. This is our new rental. We'll be doing a BRRRR method on this one in about 6 months. Cash flow off the top is $900 a month, and after the refi, roughly about $400 a month. Not too bad. As a rental property, we want to minimize the things that we do. We just want it clean, safe, but nothing too crazy in terms of updates. We did redo the floors, gave it a fresh coat of paint, redid the bathroom because the bathroom was disgusting. Add some tile to it, make it look a little bit nicer. But overall, we kept what we could. So this will be rented out by the end of the weekend. And in a market like this where it's not gonna appreciate that much over time, like the West Coast would, again, we don't wanna put too much time or money into it. We just wanna cash flow this sucker, and we will be BRRRRing it. And the house came with washer, dryer, which is great for tenants. So as you can see, clean, functional, nothing updated. This is a rental. We gotta get that ROI back as fast as we can. So this one, from the jump, will cash flow us about $900 a month because that's gonna be the rent. In 6 months, we'll BRRRR it out, take our money back out. We'll be in it for $0. And with the new financing, probably net about $400 a month, positive cash flow. And then move on to the next one. Velocity of money, keep that money moving. See you later, Pittsburgh. We out.
Fasten and carry on items stowed until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain has turned.
What's up, guys? So we are back in Vegas, home sweet home. A lot of stuff accomplished. Whirlwind business in the last 48 hours. Had a chance to spend some time with my in-laws, so we did get some good barbecue. But we're back now. Got 1 day rest and then hop in the car. And I'll be going to LA for work, so it doesn't stop. But let's get it.